The energy up here is incredible this morning.
Yeah. It certainly sets the stage for Vocal Pulse English. We have an exciting topic today.
สวัสดีครับ
Welcome back to the Vocal Pulse Lab. Today, we are going into the heart of the home.
สวัสดีค่ะ Hello, Alex, and hello to our community of over 600 leaders. Today, we are exploring the kitchen.
You know, Sloane, a high-status life is built on high-status habits. For many professionals, those habits begin right here in the kitchen.
I agree. Whether you are in a high-rise in Bangkok or a penthouse in London, the kitchen is where you fuel your day.
Let's look at the essentials. The first thing I look for is the coffee maker. I need that precision and that energy to start my morning.
I am a bit more traditional. I go straight for the kettle. I love the ritual of boiling water for a hot cup of tea.
Kettle and coffee maker. These are simple objects, but they are the tools of a productive morning. And Sloane, where do you keep your supplies?
I keep everything organized in the cupboard. It is a classic word, but essential for a clean, professional space.
A clean space leads to a clean mind. And of course, there is the fridge. A leader always keeps a well-stocked fridge to maintain their peak performance.
When it is time to prepare a meal, we use the stove or the oven.
And for the busy executive, the microwave is often the most important tool for a quick, efficient lunch.
But even when we are fast, we must be precise. We use a knife and a cutting board.
That is a great word for our beginners to practice. Remember, in the word knife, the K is silent. Focus on the sharp N sound.
Exactly. Precision in your tools and precision in your pronunciation.
And when the meal is ready, the presentation matters. We use a plate or a bowl.
Followed by a spoon, a fork, and a knife. In Thailand, we use these every day. If you can name them with a steady, natural rhythm, you are already building your professional foundation.
After the meal is finished, we have to maintain the environment. We move to the sink.
We use a sponge and dish soap to keep things spotless. Or, if you are lucky, you have a dishwasher.
Cleaning the kitchen is actually the perfect time to practice your vocal pulse. Name each object as you put it away.
This is a pot. This is a pan. It sounds simple, but it is the fastest way to train your brain to think in English without translating from your native tongue.
If you are finding value in this look at the daily foundation, please like this video. Every like tells the system that this community is growing.
And subscribe to join our 600 leaders. We are moving toward 1,000 subscribers very quickly.
If you are ready to test your reaction time in the kitchen, comment the word fresh in the comments below. Now, let's enter the training lab.
Leaky faucet.
The coffee is in the cupboard.
I am boiling water in the kettle.
Please put the milk in the fridge.
I need a spoon and a fork.
The microwave is fast and efficient.
Wash the dishes in the sink.
Be careful, the stove is still hot.
I am eating cereal from a bowl.
Where is the cutting board?
Put the plate in the dishwasher.
10 objects, 1 foundation. If you kept up with that pulse, you have taken a major step toward fluency today. Excellent work! Now that we've mastered the kitchen, let's move into the living room. This is a space for both relaxation and professional connection.
Indeed, Alex. A well-organized living room reflects a well-organized mind. The centerpiece is often the sofa or couch where we host guests or unwind after a long day. High-status English isn't just about big words. It is about how you handle the simple ones.
For those ready to accelerate their growth, our private lab is now accepting 5 new students this week for one-on-one coaching.
We will work directly on your specific rhythm traps and your professional goals.
Scan the codes on your screen to secure your spot. For our friends in Thailand, you can reach us directly online for priority booking.
Master the beat. Master the room. We will see you in the lab.